Hello students. In last video we discussed about the options used by the drawer. Now we continue with the remaining terms which are renewal, insolvency and retirement of the bill. Renewal of bill of exchange. Renew means when old bill get cancelled and new bill is prepared by the drawer on drawee, then it is known as renewal of the bill. But why the bill get renewed? Because sometimes may drawee is not in a condition to make the payment of the bill on due date, and if the drawee is very honest person, he request drawer on or before due date that please give me some extended time period for making the payment. At that time drawer may agree with that offer, may agree with that request, and whenever such a request takes place, naturally the old bill is not having any value because the drawer is not getting the payment of the bill on due date. So first step here is to cancel the old bill. Drawer must cancel the old bill of exchange, and as per the new agreement, new bills of exchange may be prepared. Now here also drawer may agree with some condition or maybe some offer given by the drawer. The drawer may says to the drawee that I am not giving how much amount you can pay me now if you are not able to make the payment of full amount of the bill. Suppose the bill is of rupees 10,000 and drawee says that I am not having 10,000 now, I can pay you only 5,000. Then drawer can agree with that. Yes, you can pay me now 5,000 and afterwards for remaining 5,000 I will give you some time period. Maybe 30 days, 20 days, maybe 1 month, whatever may be the period. And for that remaining 5,000, drawer draws a new bills of exchange. Now this 5,000 drawer will get after 1 month. So again drawer has to wait for 1 month, and for that drawer charges some rate of interest, and drawee has to pay the interest to the drawer because drawer is waiting for the amount. That amount which drawee is making payment to the drawer, that amount is known as part payment, because from full amount of the bill, part of the amount is paid by the drawee to the drawer. So that part of the amount is known as part payment. Sometimes part payment may or may not be there, because see, bills of exchange is totally mutual document, mutual agreement based document. That's why if drawer says that okay, you will pay, you can make me the payment after 1 month full amount, I don't want cut amount, I want full amount at 10,000, I am giving you again 1 month period, but you have to pay me along with interest. Then on 10,000 again he charge interest, and that full amount for that along with interest drawer can draw the bills of exchange, or he may ask some amount now and some amount afterwards. So first of all, first step is clear that drawer is cancel the bill of exchange, old bill. Then drawer charge always interest on drawee for outstanding amount. Then sometime drawer may get the part of the amount from the drawee, and after that drawer prepare for remaining amount new bills of exchange. So renewal means what? Here request made by the drawee for extension of time period. For all these options there are different journal entries are that we will going to see in journal entries format. Next is insolvency. I think you know the word, meaning of the word insolvent. In 11th standard you studied about solvent and insolvent. Insolvent means what? When business assets are less than business liabilities, or other way around we can say when business liabilities are more than business assets, then that business condition is known as insolvent business. At that time an insolvency is declared by court. Suppose drawee declared him as insolvent, court declared that this particular drawee is insolvent. At that time, means in our language we are calling that such person as diwalkhor, diwala nikal chuka hai. Means if that person become insolvent, at that time naturally the old bill get dishonored automatically, because the drawer will not get the payment of the bill. At that time the bill get dishonored, and After selling his private asset, whatever amount drawee can pay to the drawer, that amount he can pay, and the amount which is not going to pay by the drawee, that amount is known as bad debts by drawer and deficiency by drawee. Means the amount which is not recovered from the drawee, drawer call that amount as bad debts and drawee calls the same amount as deficiency. So in renewal and insolvency, in both the cases old bill get cancelled, but difference is there. In renewal, by mutual understanding will get cancelled. Here chances of recovery of the amount is there after a certain period of time, but in case of insolvency, chances of recovery of the amount is not there. Here amount will get automatically dishonored on due date, and in case of renewal will get cancelled by mutual understanding of drawer and drawee. Then last is retirement of the bill. Retirement means when drawee makes the payment of the bill before due date, then it is known as retirement of the bill. See, retirement and honor both are same. When drawee honors the bill before due date, then it is known as retirement. And when drawee makes the payment of the bill on due date, then it is known as honor the bill. So there is difference between honor and retirement. Honor means when drawee makes the payment on due date, and retirement before due date, when drawee make the payment of the bill, then it is known as retirement of the bill. Here, naturally, when drawee make the early payment of the bill, drawer gives some concession to the drawee, and that concession is known as a rebate. Drawer calls that amount as rebate, and drawee calls the same amount as discount for the unexpired period. And this rebate is expense for the drawer and income for the drawee. For example, if the bill is of rupees 8,000 and drawee makes the payment early, then drawer may gives him some concession, pay me 7,500 only. 500 that concession is given by the drawer. So 500 is expense for the drawer and 500 is income for the drawee. Here we end with all the terms of the bills of exchange. In next video we will start with journal entries format. Thank you.